Alright, this is going to be a really good tip about how to enter a highway at the proper speed. So if you look to my left, that's the highway right over there, and I'm about to get on the highway. When I turn up here on this entry, on this on-ramp, there's maybe 2 seconds to get into traffic. And immediately after you get on the on-ramp, there's an exit where people try to turn right. So it can get kind of hairy. So it's 45. What I recommend doing on a on-ramp like this is getting up to speed. They're up at about 50. So see how we're at 40 now? Now watch this. We're gonna get up to 50. And I'm gonna look in my mirror as soon as we get out here, and you're gonna see that we don't have a lot of time. There's this guy right here, that guy merging, and this guy right here in my mirror. See that? So we're right out here in traffic. That would have been the turn where people turn right. Anyway, that's how to get on the freeway nice and safely without relying on other people speeding up or slowing down to let you in. If you're gonna get out there on the highway, try to get out there without causing a big jam up. So that's the tip. Just gas up a little bit and get out there. Hopefully it helps you make a nice safe entry onto the freeway.